Hi everyone, welcome to Bytes. Let's start today's video by checking weekly performance of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty rallied by 3.04% with a week's low of 15,661 points and week's high of 16,275 points. Coming to the Bank Nifty, it rallied by 4.17% with a week's low of 33,315 points and week's high of 35,262 points. Overall, markets were in a positive note due to decrease in various commodity prices. Let's check out important market updates for the week. There are some updates stating that Russia might cut off the natural gas supply completely to Germany. If this scenario plays out, most of the industries in Germany will suffer due to shortage of natural gas. Already, electricity prices in Germany are at a multi-year high. Due to this, there are high chances of industry shutdowns in Germany. One of the world's largest chemical plant, BASF, might also face a shutdown. If this happens, it would lead a supply chain disruption in the chemical industry across the globe. If the BASF plant in Germany shuts down, it will be positive for Deepak Nitrite and GNFC, stated by CNBC anchors. Coming to our FMCG sector, last week we would have witnessed a very good momentum. The reason for that was palm oil prices fell by 10%, sugar prices fell by 4.5% and wheat prices fell by 6%. A decline in these prices is a positive sign for FMCG companies such as ITC, Hindustan Unilever, Britannia and others. Most of these FMCG companies use palm oil, sugar, wheat as their raw materials, and a decrease in their prices will decrease their price pressure. Due to this, we witnessed a very good momentum in these stocks. Tata Power has signed an MOU with Tamil Nadu government. According to this, Tata Power will be investing 3,000 crore for setting up 4 GW solar cell and 4 GW solar module manufacturing plant in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. The investment is planned over next 16-month period. In the annual general meeting of Tata Power, Chairman Mr. N. Chandrasekaran commented that they would spend 75,000 crore in the next 5 years to expand the capacity of its renewable energy business. In FY23, they will be spending 10,000 crore for its capex. In FY 2022, they have added 707 megawatt of renewable capacity. With this, Tata Power has increased their clean and green energy portfolio to 34% of their total capacity. Also, the company is planning to increase its renewable energy portfolio to 60% in the next 5 years. With this, we can see that Tata Power is focusing aggressively on renewable energy segments. Tata Technologies is a subsidiary company of Tata Motors, operates in automotive, aerospace and defense, and industry-heavy machinery segments. Tata Technology focuses on R&D, product lifecycle management, and connected enterprise IT services. Money Control has released an update stating Tata Group is planning to come out with an IPO for Tata Technologies. Since there is a good traction in the field of EV and aviation sector, Tata Group is planning to come out with an IPO to unlock its value. Also, they have onboarded City Investment Bank to look into this IPO process. Since this proposal is in its very early stage, IPO size and structure are not yet finalized. We have to wait for the further updates. There is another important news related to Tata Group. CBI arrests Powergrid Executive Director and 5 others relating to Tata projects. The reason for this arrest was Powergrid's Executive Director B.S. Shah was extending favors for Tata projects in various projects in return for unlawful payment. Also, CBI conducted searches on Wednesday in Ghaziabad, Noida, Gurgaon and other places, during which 93 lakh cash was recovered from Gurgaon premises of Mr. Jha. Mahindra & Mahindra has approved for creating a new subsidiary company to increase their concentration on EV segment. Passenger electric car business will be transferred to their new subsidiary company. The valuation of this new business is around 70,000 crore and British International Investment will invest up to 1,925 crore to acquire a stake between 2.75% to 4.76% in this new subsidiary. A total capital infusion of approximately 8,000 crore between financial year 24 to 27 for the planned portfolio will be infused in this new company. British International Investment and Mahindra & Mahindra will work together in a phased manner to achieve this and also will bring more investors into this project. Regarding this update, CNBC contacted Mr. Anish Shah, MD and CEO of Mahindra & Mahindra. He commented, Mahindra & Mahindra is very strong in the compact SUV segment. They have a 25% market share in the compact sub 4 meter SUV segment. XUV 400 model will be the first electric SUV from the company, and this model will be unveiled in September 2022. HDFC and HDFC Bank amalgamation scheme received a no objection letter from RBI on July 4th. Also, on July 2nd, they received a no objection letter from both the exchanges NSE and BSE. HDFC Bank has released its Q1 business update. Advance grew by 21.5% year-on-year basis and 1.9% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Retail loans grew by 21.5% on a year-on-year basis. Commercial and rural bank loans grew by 29% on a year-on-year basis. Corporate and other wholesale loans grew by 15.5% year-on-year basis. Coming to the figures of the deposits, it grew by 19.3% on a year-on-year and 2.9% on a quarter-on-quarter. While looking into banks' business updates, one important parameter must be checked, it's CASA ratio. Current account savings account ratio for HDFC Bank grew by 20% on a year-on-year basis and was down by 2.2% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Titan has also released its Q1 business update. Titan has commented that this quarter has been a normal quarter after a gap of 2 years. In this quarter, their year-on-year jewelry business grew by 207%. The watches and wearables segment grew by 158%. The eye care segment grew by 176%, and other businesses grew by 455%. They've also added new stores which can be seen on the screen. For more such interesting news and content, subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video with your friends and family members so that this information can reach as many investors as possible. Thank you. Have a great weekend. Bye.